All right, the duck is back in action tonight. So, our third night open over here, Poppy Street Eats, and everybody's digging duck diggler out here. The girls really love them, and the kids too. Here come some kids. They're gonna be like, "Let me see that duck." Here we go. He's doing pretty good dance a minute ago. Oh shoot. Duck dance. Do some dancing. There we go. There we go. Shake that duck booty. Yeah.
Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.
That's how you do it. That's how Duck Diggler does it. He's got some moves. He busted a move. Poppy's is rocking. It's a Friday night. We have some subscribers here. Check them out. What's your names?
Nora Lynn.
Nora Lynn.
Jeff.
And Jeff from North Carolina, right?
Carolina, yeah.
All the way from North Carolina coming here to Poppy's. Like I said, it's Friday night, our first Friday night open, and we're doing pretty good.
Yes.
It's cooled. It's cooled down a little bit. It's our first Friday night. Got a bunch of guys in here, but there's a lot of people in. And what did you guys think? What do you got? What kind of drink you got? Gin and tonic. Same with you. I had a mojito earlier.
Oh, they're delicious. You gotta try them.
Yeah, the mojitos here, man, are good. Really good. So we brought our best mojito maker from Poppy's #1 down here to Poppy's #2. It's a 16 ouncer. So they're a shot and a half of alcohol in that versus 1. So yeah, we do the big drinks over here.
Come on over.
Come on over.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. We're back over here at the Drake Hotel, Poppy's Bar and Chill. Zip. Just like time from Poppy's Walking Street right over here. And we got a gentleman here that just arrived from
West Virginia.
West Virginia. What's your name, sir?
Chuck.
Chuck?
Yeah.
From West Virginia, and you came with a plate for me. Yes. Check it out, guys. Another plate. I will be putting this one at the Walking Street location because I need some over there. We're gonna get some over there hung up. I do appreciate it. Now you said this had a little bit of a story behind it. What? Give me a story.
It was dead for a year.
Yeah?
And I didn't know it.
You didn't know it. How was it dead?
I went into the DMV and it was discontinued, that number.
Yeah.
I tried to renew my tag on it
Uh-huh.
and they wouldn't let me. So I ended up getting a new tag and I thought, I know where that one's going.
All right. Well, I appreciate it. Thanks, Chuck. Yeah. I'll proudly hang that up over at the new location. We'll take it down to the Walking Street location tonight, and we'll hang it up. You're going to visit us down there too?
Absolutely.
All right. He just got off the plane. He just checked in.
Yes, buddy.
All
Here's
right.
what he wants to eat now.
What?
Biscuits and gravy.
Came for the biscuits and gravy.
Yeah.
All right. Down home taste. Yeah. West Virginia, I figured that.
Yes, that's what he said.
All right, guys. Well, thank you, Chuck.
All right, Eric,
Appreciate it. Very
pleasure.
nice meeting you. Hey guys, it's Monday morning, I think, right? Monday morning? I lose track of time. Monday morning here over at the Street Eats. I had a gentleman here with me. How was your French dip this morning?
French dip was pretty good.
That's a good breakfast.
It is. Heavy breakfast for me.
Heavy? Yeah, that's a good breakfast. So just sitting out here on the street, watching things liven up. Not much going on right now. It's a little slow in the mornings here on the Walking Street, but I have my beer chiller that just arrived. Told you guys I'd be talking about my custom made draft beer chiller. It's really nice, turned out good. Couple little things have to happen. My installer didn't come in time, so that's got to get pushed back, and we're building a bigger top across here, so it's going to be about this far sticking out. And of course the stem out here towards the middle for all the draft, what do you call them, the nozzles that stick up there out of the countertop. So that should be done sometime today, I hope. I'm waiting for my installer to show up, but turned out rather nice. Did a really good job. I'll give you guys the information on the screen if anybody wants to make one of these for their kegs. Doors are nice and tight. He's got it insulated nicely. He said he tested it. We got some fans built in. Keep everything cool. Very professionally done. So, got some magnetic strips here along this top edge, all the way around the edge of the doors. Very heavy, insulated. Looks like a real proper beer chiller, that's for sure. These are a little tight, but I think you just gotta close them together. But yeah, getting ready to install this today, I hope, if my guy shows up on, he's already late, but if he shows up at all, you know how that goes over here in the Philippines. Make an appointment. Tomorrow, sir, 8 o'clock, I'll be there. Not quite. Not quite. Just got to go with the flow, roll with the whatever comes your way, because planning something here, guys, 90% of the time it doesn't work out as planned. You got to have patience. It's like Guns N' Roses. Patience. So yeah, we're going to have Stella Artois in here, Hogarden White. I've got an Encanto, reading it off here, Hop Culture going in this baby here, and also a Treeline Fat Cat Ale. That's another local brewery here. That's 5% alcohol on the Treeline. Stella's 5%. Hogarden White is 4.9, and the Encanto Pale Ale is a 5.4% alcohol. A lot of these IPAs and craft beers are higher in alcohol content than your average beer. These are kind of mild, midline. Some of them are like 8 or 9%. I know that. Then we also have, of course, this Carabao, Crazy Carabao, which we already have in this little dispenser here. Now this one's a little higher in alcohol content. I believe it's in the 8% range. This India Pale Ale IPA. So we got that too. But yeah, I made this thing big enough to keep. The reason it's so large, I want to put 8 kegs in here, so I'll always have a cold reserve ready to go to switch out. And also it has enough room for the CO2 tanks that go in here to that you have to have for these to work. So yeah, it's coming along, guys. It will be here shortly here at the Street Eats location. We have a couple of craft beers over at the original OG spot over in the Drake Hotel as well, including that Crazy Carabao we have already there as well. So all you beer lovers, craft beer lovers, draft beer lovers, come down here, Poppy Street Eats, get your draft beer real soon. Hopefully tonight. We'll see how that goes, like I said. Anyway, mornings start out slow here. I'm about ready to have me a cup of coffee. This gentleman's having a Coke in the morning. No coffee for you, huh? Not a coffee guy?
I had one this morning.
Yeah.
So this is more like lunch.
Just one? Now this is more, yeah, it's a little later. We open at 10 here. So we got 10 a.m. to 2 a.m. over here. It's been going good, guys. It's a little bit, people are still coming in, discovering us, of course. But I think in about a month, everybody will be eating here at Poppy Street Eats. Everybody from down at Kokomo's, down there at Envy, Tequila Reef, they'll start coming over this way and discovering what we have. So far, everything's been good. Nobody's complained about anything. We've been handling it really well. So yeah, we'll just keep on going. I might introduce some new items on the menu here and there. I had a lot of you asking about burgers. We're not set up with a grill here yet. Maybe we can do burgers in the future. Chicken wings. I'm even thinking of doing some buffalo chicken subs over here. We can always run a special. It's not on our menu, but we can do an off menu item, off and on, and introduce some new eats here at Street Eats that we can do right away. I think that buffalo chicken sub would do real well down here, actually. All right, guys, we'll check in later here on the next clip. Hopefully I got this beer ready to go. I'll check my watch, see what time he gets here. All right, back at the Drake Hotel. Update on the painting. We're almost done. The skies are getting there. We got a little bit of the detail work getting done here, the striping, which is a pain in the butt for these guys, but it is going to look nice. Look at that. Let me step back. They are almost there. We got that centerpiece that's a little bit of a problem, but he's got it all figured out. Getting the Drake all painted up nicely. These guys have been hard at it for a few days. I know the last time I updated you, it's been over a week or so, but these are the same guys that's fixing up the Street Eats. The whole team's kind of separated now that we're open on Street Eats, and they're concentrating on finishing up the Drake paint job. They've even went so far as to go over here to the Boba King, and they got this all painted up too. Got to put their banner back up. But this is the hard part. They're getting these details going with these stripes, giving it that column look like we have inside the hotel. And they've switched to a sprayer. They actually was rolling it to a point. Now they're spraying it. So it won't be long. We'll have a full paint job on the Drake here. We're getting that beer chiller put in today as well. Custom beer chiller over at Street Eats. He just finished cutting the top over here. Had a couple of mishaps on the tile top, a couple of broken tiles on the way, so that delayed things. I was hoping to get it done yesterday. You know how it goes, guys. Have patience. If you have patience, you might make it here. If you don't come here. You need patience. Patience to live in the Philippines. But it all gets done eventually. These guys are working hard. I do appreciate what they've done for us so far. It's all coming together. How's the paint job going? Good? He's got his 2 seconds to start him there. Get me off that camera. I don't want to be on there. Busy.
We're almost there.
All right, there they are, spraying away up there. They got their roof system all hanging over the side here. Looks safe. Safer than those guys that hung that sign up there. That's for sure. I like this setup a lot better. Looks a little more safe, huh?
Oh, yeah.
What do you think about the progress? Finally, we're getting paint.
Very good, and they're safe. Yeah, the other Cuyas, they were like, oh my God, I can see it.
Heart attack, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're doing pretty good. They're getting up there. Got the center, a little bit on the right, left. They're getting there.
One more day.
Yeah, baby. Maybe a couple more. One more. It's always one more day, right?
Never know.
It's always one more day. Where are you? Oh, there you are behind me.
I'm here. Hey guys, thank you for visiting Papi's Bar and Chill. Wow. Well, thank you for visiting Papi's in
All this is going on the video, by the way.
No.
Yeah.
Well, guys, thank you for visiting Papi's and walking the street eat. Thank you for thank you for visiting Papi's Street Eats.
There we go.
And
Poppy's over here in the Drake, the OG spot. Thanks for coming and staying with us at the Drake, all you guys that show up here. Of course, pay for 4. Of course, pay for 5 nights. Pay for 4 nights, get the 5th night free. Pay for 4 nights, get the 5th night free over here at the Drake Hotel, guys. That's our promo. So thank all you guys for watching our videos. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for your kind comments. We'll see you guys on the next video.